Hello everyone. Shadowban is one of the biggest nightmares for ex-users in particular, and those managing accounts in general often encounter. Shadowban not only appears on newly created accounts but even on accounts that have been created for years. So, what is Shadowban? What types of Shadowban exist on X? And how should we farm accounts to avoid Shadowban? Let's explore these questions in this video. Shadowban, also known as stealth ban, refers to the limitation of visibility of your account on the platform. If your account is under Shadowban, your posts, retweets, comments, etc. won't be distributed to anyone's newsfeed, and others may not be able to search or follow your account. Neither X nor any other platform notifies users that their account has been shadowbanned. Users usually discover it when they notice a significant drop in interaction or can't find their account when accessed from another account. Shadowbans are most common with new or recently monetized accounts where users engage in heavy interactions and follows, resembling bot behavior. Be cautious, as such activities are likely to be detected and result in a ban. So, how can you tell if your account is shadow banned? There are two ways to check if your X account under construction is shadow banned. Firstly, if you notice a significant decrease in impressions on your account, use another account to check. If you can't search for the account or view its posts, it's highly likely that the account is shadow banned. The second method, more convenient for users, is to access a shadowban checking website. I usually use this site, shadowban.userisa.com. This site is reputable, and almost everyone playing X uses it to check for shadow bans on their accounts. Simply enter your account's username. If it displays in green like this, your account is not shadow banned. There are 4 common types of bans on X. First is search suggestion ban, a ban on search suggestions. When you search for users by ID, X displays accounts with related names, known as suggestions. If an account is subject to search suggestion ban, entering its ID won't display the account in the search bar. This ban is frustrating as others won't be able to find your account when searching for it. Next is search ban, a ban on search. This ban restricts all posts and retweets from appearing in search results, including related hashtags. So, you need to enter each word precisely from the post as X won't display the post. However, this ban is temporary and doesn't specify when the ban will be lifted. The third type is ghost ban, the most disliked ban on X. With ghost ban, your posts receive no interactions or impressions, as you can't reach anyone. Even if you actively post, no one sees your posts. The last one is reply deboosting. With this ban, X hides all your replies. Other people need to click show more to see the reply. Unlike normal, it will be displayed immediately. So what causes shadow ban? There are 2 main groups of reasons why your account is banned. The first is the group of subjective causes. This is related to how you manage and warm up your accounts. Many people are very impatient. After creating new accounts, they cross-follow and drop hearts to increase interaction, just like a bot. If you keep an account like this, sooner or later your account will be banned. In addition, if you create multiple accounts on the same device or IP address, there is a high possibility that those accounts will also be shadow banned. Anyone who buffs followers should pay attention to the difference between the number of followers and followers. For example, if an account only follows 1 to 2 people but has several thousand followers, it is very easy to be suspicious. That is a group of subjective reasons, but the objective reason could be because you use a third-party auto tool to post. Using automation to raise accounts is a very common way, but if you choose the wrong tool and have poor quality, your account will not be suspended but will be shadow banned. In addition, it could be because X mistakenly banned your account. This case is very rare but not impossible. If you have checked and found that your account is normal and your post or comment has not been violated at all, you can write an email to X's support team for assistance. So if your account is shadow banned, what should you do? First, please review all the posts and comments to see which post the interaction starts to decrease. If you suspect any of your posts or comments have been violated, you must delete them as quickly as possible. However, don't delete too quickly. Each time should be at least 15 to 20 minutes apart, even a few hours is fine. Next, you guys just sit and wait. If you get shadow banned, there's no way to stop your account from coming back immediately. Temporarily stop working on X, don't post or interact at all. Usually after 3 to 7 days X will release your account. If after this period of time you see that your account is still shadow banned, it's best to create another account to use. Next, I will guide you guys on some ways to farm X accounts to avoid shadow banning. The first is creating a large number of accounts. A user who has too many accounts can easily get shadow banned or even suspended. To fix this, you can just change the IP for each account and reg them on profiles with different parameters. The way I most often use is to create a new profile using anti-detect browser hide MyAC. The hide MyAC profile is similar to the Chrome profile, but each will have a different device and browser parameters, just like a new computer. I have uploaded a video showing how to create a large number of X accounts with hide MyAC, you can refer to it. After creating an account, start farming to enable monetization. The most important thing is to warm up your account to be as similar to a real user as possible. To interact with a post, you should click to read the post and then like it. Comments should be over 10 words with relevant content. Please don't use the same photo or content to comment on multiple posts. Even if you comment on unrelated posts, it will easily be marked as spam. Every 10 to 15 minutes, interacting with a post is okay. The same goes for following other users. A small tip is that you should look for people in the same fields to follow. For example, if you work on airdrops or crypto, you should follow people in the same industry so that your newsfeed is distributed with related content. If you want to use automation to warm up accounts, you should consider choosing quality tools. Don't be cheap and lose all your accounts, it's a waste. You can use automation on anti-detect browsers like hide MyAC to raise accounts. Each account has a profile with its own device parameters, so running automation is much more secure. In general, shadow ban is very annoying and difficult to avoid. The best way to limit this situation is to create and maintain a standard account right from the beginning. If you accidentally get caught by the shadow ban, you have to stay calm and handle it. After processing it, if your account still doesn't come back, you have to accept it and register a new one. Today's video is quite long, thank you for watching the entire video. If you find it interesting, please give me a like and a subscription. If you want me to do more on any topic, just comment below and let me know. Goodbye everyone and see you again in the next videos.